Earthquakes are among the most powerful and destructive natural disasters that can strike at any time, anywhere in the world. But what exactly causes earthquakes? To understand it, we first need to look at the Earth's structure. The Earth's surface is composed of a series of plates, known as tectonic plates, that are in constant motion. These plates are constantly moving, colliding, and sliding against one another. This movement can cause a buildup of energy that is released as seismic waves, which are the shaking and vibrations that we experience during an earthquake. The edges of these tectonic plates are known as fault lines, and when two plates collide, the energy that is released can cause a crack or a break in the Earth's surface. This crack or break is called a fault, and when the energy stored in the fault is released, it causes an earthquake. Earthquakes can also be caused by volcanic eruptions, which can cause the Earth's surface to shake and vibrate, leading to an earthquake. One of the most important factors that determine the strength of an earthquake is the type of fault that is involved. There are three types of faults: normal, reverse, and strike slip. Normal faults occur when one plate is moving down, while the other plate is moving up. Reverse faults occur when one plate is moving up, while the other plate is moving down. Strike slip faults occur when two plates are sliding past each other in opposite directions. The location of an earthquake can also play a role in its strength and impact. Earthquakes that occur at the surface of the Earth are called shallow earthquakes, and these tend to be less powerful than earthquakes that occur deep below the surface. Earthquakes that occur at great depths are known as deep earthquakes, and these can be much more powerful and destructive. Another important factor that affects the impact of an earthquake is the type of soil or rock that is present in the area. Soil and rock that are more solid and compact are less likely to amplify the seismic waves, which means that the ground will shake less during an earthquake. On the other hand, soil and rock that are more loose and porous are more likely to amplify the seismic waves, which can lead to more severe shaking and greater damage during an earthquake. To measure the strength of an earthquake, scientists use a scale called the Richter magnitude scale. This scale measures the magnitude of an earthquake based on the size of the seismic waves that are produced. The Richter magnitude scale ranges from 1 to 10, with 1 being the weakest and 10 being the strongest. An earthquake with a magnitude of 6 or higher is considered to be a strong earthquake, and can cause significant damage and loss of life. In conclusion, earthquakes are a result of the constant motion and collision of tectonic plates, and the release of energy stored in faults. The type of fault involved, the location of the earthquake, and the type of soil or rock in the area all play a role in the strength and impact of an earthquake. The Richter magnitude scale is used to measure the strength of an earthquake, and earthquakes with a magnitude of 6 or higher can be very destructive and cause significant damage and loss of life.